Hey, welcome back to Diode Press. I'm Graham. In the last video, I spent some time setting up my xTool laser and testing it out. In this video, I'm going to be putting it to use by making some prints. So let's get into it. This was originally the artwork for a shirt that I made a few years ago, but unfortunately, the entire inventory of that shirt got destroyed. So today, I'm going to be reusing that artwork to make a woodcut print. So check out the last video where I unboxed and put together the xTool D1 Pro laser, and in this video I'm going to use it to cut out all the pieces. The wood is 1/8 inch birch plywood. It cuts through the material like butter, and varying the power lets me get deeper engravings or shallower, which lets me get a really clean print. I gave the block a quick sanding to smooth out the surface, and then cut out a jig to hold the piece in place on my press bed. I'm using Speedball Pro black ink for this print. It's really become one of my favorite inks. It has a really nice matte finish and it prints really easily, but most importantly, to clean it up, you just use soap and water, so it makes it really easy to do. And now I can run it through the press. For this print, and really all the recent prints on my channel, I've been using my Takash etching press. I bought this press in the beginning of 2019, and it was definitely the most expensive tool I've ever bought, but almost 5 years in now, and it prints and looks like brand new. It's amazing. It's definitely a lifetime purchase for me. And so here you can see the small registration jig. This lets me line up the paper perfectly square to the block and get a consistent print every time right where I want it. And the jig is slightly thinner than the block that I'm printing. And here you have the finished print. Next up, using the same artwork, I wanted to make a small magnet for the studio. So I started off by spray painting the plywood blue, and then masking it off. Then I can run it through the laser. And also, I have some links down in the description box if you're interested in checking out this laser. Obviously it's a big purchase, but I've been nothing but happy with mine so far. And a big shout out to xTool for sending this one over to me. It's really opened up a ton of possibilities for the studio. And I'll also have a link down in there to my shop if you want to pick up one of these prints to hang up. The next step is to paint the wood white before I remove the masking. This lets me fill in just the letters of the magnet. Now I can remove the masking, and here's the finished print and the magnet. I'm currently working on a couple other projects, and the next one is another print using the laser. And so I'll have that video up soon. So make sure to hit subscribe to my channel to check that one out, and if you enjoy these projects. It really helps the videos get seen and grows our little community here. And before I wrap up this video, I have one more project to knock out. First was to test a 1/2-inch hardwood dowel for a future keychain project. I'm pretty impressed with they can burn through so easily. But here's the artwork for this keychain I'm making today. This is a hardwood sheet that I picked up from Woodcrafters, and it cuts and engraves great. I'll be throwing these up in the shop as well if you want to snag one. And I'll see how many I can get out of this one sheet, but I think they look pretty good. Make sure to leave any questions or comments. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this project, or if you have ideas for future projects, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. To keep up with the videos when they're posted, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to help support this channel, you can check out the Diode Press Patreon page, where I post behind the scenes photos, as well as other patron rewards. Thanks!